Hello friends, how are you? Because I was ill, so I did not make the video, and today I'm feeling a little better. I thought that I should make a video because you are watching my videos on daily basis, and today I thought that I should make a video on illness because when we make videos on different topics, there are different words and sentences. In this way, you will come to know the new words, new sentences, and your vocabulary will increase. If we talk on same subject, the same words would come, no new words would come in front of you, and in this way, you will not be able to learn or understand the new words. Because you know that the area where I'm living right now, the winter season is going on, and you know that in winter season people become affected due to the dust allergy. And because it has not been raining here since some months, so due to no rains, dust allergy is on its peak, and people are becoming ill, especially the fever, flu, and a little cough. So you know that here where I am living are the four seasons in a year. We see four seasons in a year: winter season, summer season, spring season, autumn season. These are the four seasons, and right now the winter season is on the way. And in winter season, you know that due to cold and due to dust allergy, uh, because sometimes when it's no rains, then people become the victim of different kind of diseases, ailments. Ailments and diseases, same words, you know. Ailments means disease, and in this way I thought that I should make this video on this topic, so that some new words would come in my speech, and you will be able to learn them, understand them. I read some months ago two words: morbidities and mortalities. The rate of the ratio of morbidities and the ratio of mortalities. What is morbidities and what is mortalities? Morbidities means the ailments, the diseases, ratio of diseases, and mortality means that ratio of deaths. The countries where people get proper vaccinations, and they control, their governments control on different diseases, and after the intervals of some years or some months, the little children are vaccinated against different kind of diseases. In our area also, children are vaccinated, but some parents I have seen, they ignored, and they do not get their children vaccinated. In this way, when they grow up, they becomes the victims of different kinds of ailments or diseases. So I think that parents should take care of their children, and also government should arrange a lot of pupils to go door to door. I think some parents are poor, they don't have even money for fare to travel from one place to another to get their children vaccinated. So in this way they ignore, and their children finally becomes the victims of different kind of diseases. And government should arrange some teams, those can go door to door and make the people aware about the different vaccines, and when they will go door to door, or they can also go school to school, because some children are going to schools, and they can get vaccinated there in their school, respective schools. And those who are not going to schools, living at home, are very small, those can get vaccinated at their home doorstep. In this way, if government appoint different kind of teams, there are that district health office in each district, which arranges or controls the person who is the responsible for the district. He should do his best to send the teams far away, village areas, because there are some houses or homes very far away where there are no facilities of roads are available. They have to go on foot to access those people. So the team members should be healthy, stout, so that they can walk on foot to reach far away areas of rural side. In this way, I think that when each and every child is vaccinated, then the fatal diseases will be, I think, that decreased. Because when parents ignore, or when government do not give too much importance, then some people do not get vaccinated. They becomes the reason to spread the disease on higher level. When all and every child is vaccinated, then there are less chances of spreading that disease. In this way, we can control the diseases and we can make our nations healthy, because when we are healthy, I was very astonished that yesterday I was not healthy and I was feeling exhausted, and I was not able to make the video for my channel. And if I was healthy, then it was easy for me to make the video. So from that I get the importance of health. Health is wealth. The main priority is the health. If you are healthy, you are wealthy. If you are not healthy, you are not able to earn or think the things accordingly. So we should take precautionary measures to make ourselves healthy. When we should adopt all precautionary measures, then it will be less chances for us to become the victim of diseases. Sometimes we do the precautions, we adopt the precautionary measures, but we still become the victim of diseases. But we can refrain ourselves from high level diseases. Flu, fever are the common diseases when the season changes. When season changes once, then it is commonly seen that people becomes victims of some kind of diseases, flu, fever, cough, irritation in throat. So I thought that I was ill yesterday, and today I am feeling quite well, and I thought that I should make a video on this topic, because you have seen that there are so many new words, and you will come to know their meanings. If you find any difficulties, you can note down those words, you can search their meanings. In this way, your vocabulary will increase. So on daily basis I'm thinking that I will make videos on different topics. Our main topic is to improve your English language, to improve our skills of speaking the English language. But when we talk the same subject in different way, then it will be more effective for you to learn lot of other words related to some different things, such as today I have talked on disease, illness, and in this talk there are so many new words, not as usual, because when I talk on only to improve the English language, then there are the similar words. But when we talk on different unique subject, there are unique words, new words. In this way, your vocabulary will increase and you will feel also good, relax. You will come to know the new words. Hope you find today's videos very useful. Please hit like button, subscribe button, and let me know in comment box that what you want on our channel in next videos, so that we will make our next video according to your wishes. So please give your feedback below in comment box. Right now, allow me from this video for now till next video, and in next video I will talk on any other topic. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.